10 toes, that's my MO.
What it do, we back in this thing. We got some boxes that showed up today. Benzo Cole!
We got Benzo Cole too.
We got some boxes that showed up today, man. I've been waiting on these. I've been needing these. This is a huge upgrade to the rollback, to our operation. Let me show it to y'all. You're looking at about $550 worth of products right here. Hold this, Ben. You got your food all out, boy? I didn't know you was gonna come here with food. Just hold this, let me show them one of the boxes. Look like they're in decent shape.
Mmm.
Take a look here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this one has the dining plate looking front with the T-handle. Oh yeah.
Ooh, got some room in there. Oh, keys.
Yeah. Set them inside. That's gonna be hot ticket. I'm gonna replace these over here that are rotted out badly. Let me see if I can get on the hand and show you. Look, you got stuff hanging all through the bottom. Look at that. Every time I'm riding down the road, I hear stuff rattling around in here. Terrible. So I'm gonna swap them out. I think what I'm gonna do is take these down and set them side by side, and I'm gonna try to use the bolts on the inside, the little plate. Ooh. So there's a plate on the inside, and mount the holes like that. You know, set them side by side, and use these plates to drill the holes properly. Hopefully y'all can see that. Drill the holes in the same spot. Since these brackets are already here, I bought the same size box because I knew it would fit in that same spot right there. So, I don't know, I guess I need to empty one of these out and take one down and give it a shot, drill the holes and put it back up. All right, I moved the bed back so I have more access, more room to the bolts and stuff. I thought about going live, man, but with that sun being right there, it ain't gonna be very good footage, so I'm just gonna man, what's all this? It's like a dent in that already. Anyway, like I said, I thought about going live, but the sun ain't being great right now, so I'm just gonna go on and do this side. Probably do some time-lapse footage, and then I might go live on the other side because we got two of them. So we'll see. We'll see what we do. I'm gonna mount them the same way. Since I got these brackets right here, no need to weld them. I'll try to weld them and put these, as you can see, it's got these brackets that you got to pay. They're like $75 for the set. So I don't have those brackets, and they got to be welded to the frame anyway. So I'm gonna just reuse what they got. That's the reason why I went with this size boxes. Just reuse what they got, and if anything, I can add a longer box, use those brackets, buy some of those brackets, and add a longer box to this side because I got a lot of frame space right there. So forgive me if this sun is messing up the video. I really don't even feel like videoing this, but this is a nice little project, so I'll try to get y'all some footage. Watch out, for that thing fall on your foot, boy.
Pow! Knock that thing out. Knock that thing out.
Knock that thing out.
Bentley. I'll be right back.
I gotta get Dad's crowbar. I gotta get his crowbar and see if we can get that thing out of there. Thing's all rusted. I go get the what you call it, grind it down. Whew. It's all rusted. So I get the grinder, grind this down so I'll make it flat. Probably paint it too. That thing wasn't gonna hold nothing. Brand new. I want to grind this down before I even put that in there because I don't want none of this old stuff to cut into it. Oh yeah, I'll do that. They're gonna need to test fit. See if it'll fit. I don't think it will. Why does this seem way wider? And it measures the same. That's terrible. Y'all, this thing been whooping my ass. I had to take about an hour break, man, and just calm down and relax. What I ended up doing was taking these bolts loose to give me some flex. Give me some space right here, and I'm hoping I can put this in here now. And then tighten, or maybe put something up underneath it to hold it still. And then drill a hole, use the same holes. Drill through and do it that way, hopefully. So I would just need something underneath it to hold it the right height. Woo! I'm finally on to something, y'all. I took the box back out, I marked it, then took it back out and drilled it because this side's so close you can't drill it while it's in there. So I marked it. This side you can, you got plenty of room to drill it. So I'm finna go to Lowe's and get 6 new bolts. Probably get some more of these gold bolts, zinc, whatever the hell they call it. And put 6 new ones in there. The old ones are garbage. Actually, shoot, I need one of these too. I broke it. In that bottom hole right there. I wonder if they'll be able to fit that in the thing. Anyway, I gotta finish up. But I'm happy to have a good box, at least one. I do the other one the other day. Take what I learned and be a little bit better. Hopefully that one goes a little bit better. But this is not a great way how they mounted all this stuff, man. This is not smart at all. So let me go to Lowe's, see if I can get one side done, man. I don't like to not finish a job. I got the light over there I can put up, but I want to finish this side tonight and clean all my tools up. So Let me quit jibber jabbering, as Taylor Ray says, and get to Lowe's. I'll be back in a minute. Y'all, this job was literally a job, boy. This whooped me right here. I'm gonna show it to y'all tomorrow in the daylight, but just want to tell y'all, me and Bray out here.
We've been out here forever.
Me and OVS Bray out here had to make a run to get some bolts. Oh man, I'm not sure I even want to deal with that other side, to be honest with you. I think now that I figured this side out, I might be able to have easier luck with that one. But it's the way they got it mounted, man. They did some makeshift stuff right here. For instance, this little plate right here got 4 bolts. The bottom left one broke, as you can see. I gotta put a new bolt in there. And this one, after they put the bolts in, they welded all this together. So you can't even get a socket around that. You can only take the nut off the other side. But that's inside the frame, man, with all kind of, I mean, it just ain't no room. It just ain't no room. So I got this side done. I'm seriously thinking about taking that stuff loose and getting these brackets for the other side. Or just take some time and going and put a longer box on that side with these brackets. Do it different. So I don't know. I just know it whooped me. It whooped me, and it whooped me good. But I got it, man. When you fight through adversity, sometimes it feels better in the end. So I still gotta fill it up with some essentials. I kind of want to go to there's this place in town that can cut rubber for you and get a 18 by 18 by 24 piece of rubber to put in the bottom and then sit stuff on top of it. So anyway, that's it. We're gonna shut it down for the night. Go ahead and watch our beloved Anthony Edwards led Timberwolves get their ass whooped. Last time we checked, they was losing by like 30.
24 right now.
Losing by 24. So that's about to be probably be it for them. Anyway, I'll pull the camera out in the morning when the sunlight comes out, show y'all the finished product on this side, and maybe move on to the other side. Maybe. Yes, sir. That's a hell of a look right there. From that to that. Man, I'm so sore. This ordeal beat me up last night, boy. Ooh wee. But well worth it. Well worth it. I almost went a little too high now that I look at it. Look at that. It clears with about 1 inch. But I raised this side up a hair. Like, take from the ground level to the floor. I mean, ground level to the top of it is like 40 inches. And I think on the other side it was 39.5. But that's why I was able to get it level at, so I decided to keep it like that. Anyway, me and Ben got work to do. I just wanted to show it to y'all in the morning time. I might get you some footage later. Damn, I think the flash is on. Oh, that didn't make a difference. It's sitting outside. Anyway, on to the next. Ooh, look at her. Look at her just learn how to ride a bike. Yeah, you did. Good job helping her teach it. Now you just gotta get your legs strong so you can pedal uphill. Look, just walk it around. You can't. It's gonna be hard to pedal uphill. Look, no, you ain't gotta get off of it. You can stay on it and just walk a couple steps so you can go downhill. Come this way. Yeah, now you're going downhill. Now you can push off and ride. There you go.
You know, whenever she's about to fall, I told her.
Yeah.
Whenever she's about to fall, and whatever way the bike is leaning, I told her to turn. That's how she didn't fall.
All right, we gotta go. Damn, this is GoPro only got but 3%. No, it's finna cut off. I gotta get the steering wheel off. I unhooked the battery already, bro. We'll shoot footage till it cuts off. Here, come hold it. I'm supposed to be able to get this off of here. side. On the other side. On the other side, and come from this side and get it off. Apparently. There you go. You can see it. Careful with that airbag. Yeah, gotta be super careful with that. Let me see. You hold it, man. Come over. Bray, come around and hold it from the side. This is the new one. Look how nice that one is. Nothing messed up at the top. Look at mine over here. Yeah, try to hold it. Try to hold it. Maybe with two hands. Yeah. There we go. Perfect, my boy. My boy got a little strength on him.
He can bench press a lot.
Shouts out to Travis at Traffic. Classics are better. Travis at Traffic. Travis at Classics are better. He got a nice video on his page showing how to do this. And that's how I was able to figure it out. He said this part was hard. Oh, mine came off easy. Yeah, remember how hard his was? Oh, his was hard. All right, let's see here. All right. That's it. All right, let's go compare. Go out.
Ooh, look at your wheel. That thing is all different colors.
Yeah, I know. It's white. I don't know how it got like that. Look at that. My wheel got all this white paint or whatever the hell it is all over it. But this is the worst right here.
Caprice.
My buttons, I think my buttons are a little bit better. These are wore through. Right here and right here. A little bit on top. But also shout out to my boy Robert Davis. If I recall, he gave me this steering wheel. I might have gave him like $80 or something like that, but I think he ended up actually giving it to me, if I ain't mistaken. So shouts out Robert Davis. Shouts out Travis Lancaster from Classics Are Better. Both of those guys deserve a good shout out. All right, I think we ready, man. I got the same arrows inside. See the same grooves. You got a groove there. I know y'all probably can't see it. You got a groove there. Then you got a groove up top. So it should line up just the same. All right, let me give it a shot. Come on, Ben. Hold it, because we only got 17% left. 17% left on the GoPro battery. Alright, let's see. We got a groove on the top and a groove on the bottom.
Now we at 16.
You at 16?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it. I don't think it goes on no other way. Man, I've been needing this steering wheel for a minute.
Well, when did he give it to you?
Robert gave me this thing a long time ago. hold it, bro. No, you gotta push this way now and bend, pull down. All right, there we go.
Hey. Oh, he loose.
Huh?
He loose.
How did he get out? Let's go get him. What's up, boy? Get him. How you get out? How you get out, man? All right, I just gotta put this back in. This goes in there, and then put the steering. Oh, this gotta be plugged up right here. I can do that now. All right, just plug the battery back up. Yes, sir. All right, let me see what we got here. I gotta figure out why I got this slack in here. I don't know why. Oh man, you know what? I ain't got my phone. I ain't got my phone. Give me that iPhone cord. We'll use yours. Plug yours up and see if we play music and see if all the buttons work. Time to replace this bad boy. Alright, plug your phone up. Look at this slack. Yeah. I don't know what causes that though. Ridiculous. Why is it not? Come on. Alright, look. Alright, so that button works. Alright. My buttons over there work. Bluetooth, iPod, auxiliary.
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
That's it. Look at there, man. That is it there. God, that old steering wheel was so terrible. Yeah. All right, next thing I gotta do, I had the gearbox put on. Gearbox is on. Now I gotta get the hydro boost put on, which is in the back seat right there. I think I'm gonna try doing that myself. It's not very hard. Nuts and bolts, stuff like that. So, steering wheel completed. Done deal. On to the next.